Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to jump straight into the video. Today we have partnered up with CurlsCurls and we're going to be trying their thick clip-in extensions for Afro Kinky 4C/4B hair. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So the hair comes like this and it's packaged in a really cute, really lovely satin duster bag, and it comes with the instructions and a little booklet that helps you out with everything from preparation, installation and maintenance. So we'll jump straight into that. So first we're going to have a look at the hair and see what it looks like straight out of the bag, and the definition is beautiful. This hair is really soft, guys. It's really soft, really fluffy, and the definition is really nice. It definitely is 4B/4C type hair, which is really great. The color is about a brownie, a dark brownie sort of black color. This is what the hair looks like. So I was given the thick set. There's also a normal set which comes with 7 pieces. My pieces comes with 10 pieces, and it comes with the 4 of the 4 clips, 2 of the 3-piece clips, and 4 of the 2-piece clips. Gonna get straight into the preparation of the hair. I am going through the manual and doing exactly like it was said in the manual given. So it says we start off by putting the hair in some warm water and soaking it in some warm water just until it's completely wet. Then the second step is applying a cleanser/shampoo. I am using the Sheamoisture, Manuka honey and Mafura oil intensive hydrating shampoo. And I'm just washing the hair thoroughly just to get rid of anything that's in the hair. After shampooing the hair, you rinse that out with warm water, and then it says that the third step is then to apply a conditioner. While conditioning your hair, it says to finger detangle, and then after finger detangling, it says go in with a wide tooth comb to finish detangling, just to make sure that all the little tangles and stuff are out. Remember guys that this is type 4 hair, so you do need to finger detangle so you don't damage the hair. So after conditioning the hair, you wring the hair. So after wringing out the hair, it says to dry the wet hair with a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. I am using a microfiber towel instead. After using the microfiber towel and your hair is dry, you go in with a leave-in conditioner. They recommend a water-based leave-in conditioner, so I'm using the coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie by Sheamoisture. And I'm just making sure that every hair is sort of, or every section is sort of coated and well moisturized. Then it says to allow the hair to air dry. I am brushing out my hair first before I allow it to air dry. Because my hair is a bit more kinky than the texture that's in the clip-ins, I'm brushing it out so that it can get the texture of my hair. Then I'll go in and try and twist all the pieces of hair so that they dry in the same pattern as what my hair is in. So the next day they should be dry and you can start installing. So I will be using just jojoba oil to undo my little plaits before I start installing the hair. So this is what my hair looks like styled and finished. So this is my before, and now we're gonna add the clip-ins just to see what it looks like after. You undo the clips so that you can secure the clips to your hair, and you begin by sectioning your hair. So you need some fairly big sections to begin with, because at the end of the day these are the I'm beginning with the 4 clip extensions just at the base of my head, and I'm going to go in with the 4 clips first. This can fill up a whole head. I actually didn't end up using the full set because it was just too much for my head, because my head is quite small. And I used 3 of the 4 clips. After adding the 4 clips, I went in with the 3 clip extensions. So I'm just adding the 3 clips to the crown of my head, and I used 2 of the 3 clip, and then I went in with the smaller 2 clip, and I used 2 of the 2 clips to complete my entire look. And this is the completed look. This is the before and after. I'm really feeling myself.
It's so big. Imagine when my apple gets this big. Oh!
A lot of volume going on here, and the clips really match my natural hair. They're quite natural looking. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys have liked this video. So this was the installation process of the thick Afro Kinky 4B/4C clip-in extensions in the size 18 inches. For myself, as personal preference, I will be dyeing these, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of black dye so that they can match my actual hair color. The good thing about these extensions is that you can dye them, so you're able to manipulate and tweak it a little bit more so it matches your actual hair color. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a coupon code. So the coupon code that you can enter at checkout is tatenda, my name, me, yes. So you can enter that and you can receive $5 off your order, so you can grab yourself a pair of these extensions for your own head. So make sure to comment down below your thoughts, what it looks like, whether you try it yourself, and like the video, guys. Make sure to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.